Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by using admin access so changes will apply. First, press Win plus X and choose Device Manager. This opens the hardware view. Once Device Manager appears, locate and expand the keyboard's category to reveal entries. If you see more than one keyboard device, note the primary one or the one with an error icon. Make sure Windows Update is off-screen so it won't interrupt you. Now you're positioned to update a driver. The next steps perform the update itself. You now choose Update Driver or, when necessary, uninstall device to force reinstall. If you pick Update, select Search automatically for updated driver software so Windows checks online. This is quick and safe. If you have a downloaded driver, pick Browse My Computer and point to the folder, then follow prompts. For precise rollbacks, choose Let Me Pick from a list to select an older driver version. Once installation finishes, don't reboot yet. Verify status in Device Manager first. After installing or reinstalling, you should reboot to finalize changes. Many drivers require restart to load correctly. Once Windows restarts, test keys and check Device Manager for errors. If issues persist, open the device properties and use Rollback Driver to return to a prior version, or run the built-in keyboard troubleshooter from settings. This can fix configuration conflicts. If the keyboard is absent at boot, make sure USB ports or BIOS/UEFI settings aren't disabling the device. That one troubleshooting tip often resolves detection problems.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.